after a sale is made, the number one thing that you or I can do is to help our members get a result. Now, results, oftentimes we think of results as like the big wins, right? But it's also the little wins in between. Like a little win for our audience would be somebody who's doing their very first Facebook Live. Now, I know that may not be a huge thing in the grand scheme of things, but it's huge in the beginning because it creates a ton of momentum. And the reason I'm sharing this with you is because all of the wins, all of the results, they all matter. The big ones, the little ones, and everything in between. Because when you've got a result, that then leads to a story. And when you've got a story and you share that story, the stories are going to generate a lot more sales. It looks like this, the Circle of Awesomeness. It starts with making a sale. Next is your focus, your sole focus is on helping people get a result. Because when they've got a result, you've got a story, and when you share that story, you're going to generate more sales.